baby! Next week, we present the greatest card of wrestling ever to appear at the Groan and Moan Arena. The Pincher will wrestle the Spider. Hammerhead Harry will try to nail the Vice. And Hatchet Man will chop away at the Octopus. In a tag team match, Cauliflower McHugh and Muscle Brain team up against Legs O'Houlihan and the Ringer. Man Mountain will trade dirt with Quicksand Joe. The Phantom will contact the Smog. And the Eraser will try to rub out Cecil the Scissors. And now we present the final match for the championship of the world. The great Precious Percy will defend his title against the dangerous challenger, Bulldozer.
While waiting for the bell, we will review some of the important parts of a wrestler. Scrambled brains, T-bone, spare ribs, the bread basket, and pot roast. And now, Precious Percy is ready. Bulldozer has steam up. And there's the bell.
Does your hair look like this? Try Hair All Gone. It restores your hair quickly, and you look like this. Now show us the back.
Folks, that was really something. They both take the pretzel home. And now it's a double pretzel. Why not change to king-size cigarettes and relax with the coolest, mildest, slowest burning smoke you have ever enjoyed. Buy a carload today. And he's finally rocking asleep in the rocking chair home.
Friends, Final Dog Food is not only good for your dog, it's good for you.
Elmer, you bad dog. Now I gotta go buy a ticket.
A piece of porridge cold, a piece of porridge in the pot, 9 days old. A piece of porridge in the pot, 9 days old.